Alright guys, so our first spot this morning, we went over to Pitt Street, the bridge, and nothing, no bites, nothing. Tide was really high, so we did about 2 hours there and then decided to make a big change. So we're over here on the other side of the main river. We got in and we stopped by Hadrill's and got some bait. So we're gonna give this another try here over on Sullivan's Island. We're gonna go hit some docks up and we're gonna try to get some oysters and go for some sheep's head. But I'll get back to you when we get on some fish. Are you kidding me? I'm on the dock again. Yeah, I think I'm in the hose over here. Yeah. Shit, how do I manage that? My knot's too good. Fudge. Yeah, I don't know where it broke though. Well, it broke at the hook, so that's fine. Bugger. You just need one, Kenneth. Huh? That's fishing.
Well, it is fishing.
If it was easy, they'd just call it catching.
If it was easy, I wouldn't do it. I'm on my master.
Well, have a piece of pizza. It's a nice place to have lunch.
Yeah, I'm gonna come around that side, and then I'll sit in the sun for a minute. Maybe life will get better. I doubt it.
Just put a bait in the water and sit back and relax. Enjoy not being at work.
Say what?
Enjoy not being at work.
Oh yeah. That's what it is. Enjoy not being at work.
Sounded like you just hit dock.
Say what?
Said it sounded like you just hit dock.
When you used to fish in the summer, it wasn't always this windy, was it?
No.
I think it's just got to be the winds of winter, maybe.
Yeah, it's gotta be cold weather. Yeah. All the time. I can see the bottom. Yep. Oh, we got a fish. We got a fish. We do. Whew. It's not a big one, but it's fish. It'll be decent size. Probably a red. Let's see if we can't pull him out and away. Well, it's just a little puppy drum. That part of my broke my rod holder. I think we can snap right back on. Huh? Oh, I got a fish. Yeah. It broke my rod holder though. A red. Oh, it's a little one. I don't even know if it's a keeper. No, I was on the shrimp. It's about as close to a keeper as you can get. A little over 15. Nah, I'm gonna let it go. There's a bigger one in there. He really swallowed it too. So I might actually end up having to keep him. No, I got it out real easy. He's got double spot. Yeah. There he goes. He hit like the biggest freaking fish I ever seen. Literally broke a bite. There we go. We're on again. Yeah. Another little one. He annihilated it too. Even smaller. I don't know if he's gonna live though. Yeah. All right, buddy. Alright guys, just a little puppy drum. He swallowed it pretty good. He's too small to keep, so I gotta let him go. But I cut it off as low as I could, close to him as I could, so hopefully he'll be alright. Oh yeah, he took off real quick. No worries. Alright guys, it's probably about quitting time for us. I got 2 reds, both on shrimp. They were both pretty small. One was like 14 and a half, the other one was a little over 15. But let them both go. The wind's picked up pretty good and the current's moving real fast, so we haven't had much luck. We're probably calling it quits now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.